Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen what is the role of pure component, and with the help of pure component we can optimize the rendering process. Now how we can achieve the same kind of optimization for render function using functional component. So let's see this example also. So for change name, I'm creating a one more component here and I say f change name. This is for functional component, and here I just import this, and here I create a functional component. So I say sfc like this. I have functional component and I give here name that f change name like this. So no need of this component right now. Here I will have something else. No need here right now. It's a functional component, and here I will use here props, and here I will display the name. So I say dev, under this I say h2 and I say props dot name. So like this we have here also, and in display name, in place of change name I say f change name. Just save this. F change name is required, so we import here f change name, here also f change name. Save this. So we have this return statement f change name. I save this also. You see, now if I run this, this is coming. So I have to write a render statement here also. So what I do, I write here console.log and I say inside f change name. Okay, save this, and once again you see we have the same process. So I click here, so name change, we are executing here again and again and again. F change name is executing. So I say inside render in f change name like this. So you see that same I just calling again and again. So how I can optimize this render process, that we are going to learn here. So in this functional component we do not have a lifecycle method should component update. So how we can do this? Actually we can do this by using a memo. So we say React.memo like this, and inside this memo we have to pass this function component and save it. You see React.memo, and here I am passing this. What is this memo? Actually this memo is a higher order component, and inside this I am passing a child component, and this component will be optimized for rendering. Automatically this React.memo will generate a new component from this f change name component that will be optimized for render process. So yes, you see the output. Again once we change, if name is changed, again we call this, but now you see this doesn't call. F change name would not call. You see now f change name is not calling because of the optimization of render process. You see again name is changed, that's why this f change name is called. But when I click again and again, so f change name is not calling right now, this render display method is calling. So you can see that by just using this higher order memo function, higher order memo component, then we just achieve the same optimization of rendering as we achieved in class component by using pure component. So if we compare both are same. This here for functional component we can use memo, higher order component, and for class we can use pure component for optimization of render function. That's all in this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.